Good morning, you all. Welcome to another video. We're still camping. Our tent is over there, and as you can see, I just woke up. The sun is just coming through the horizon. It's bright and early. I think everybody here is sleeping, but it's freezing, guys. It's cold. Like last night, I was like so cold. But anyways, we had thick blankets, so we had to just kind of get those thick blankets out because it was pretty warm. But by after midnight, 2 o'clock, after midnight, it started getting a little bit chilly because we were outside and it was just cold. And by the time 2 o'clock, it was just freezing. Yeah. But anyways, I'm up and I'm gonna head to the bathroom. I have my dishes. I want to go wash dishes. Then I want to make breakfast. And they have some black squirrels running. Do you see them? They're over there. Some black squirrels. They're black on their body and their tail is brown. Let me see if I can get a little shot of that one. He's so cute. Look at him on the table there. He's so cute. He's gone. Alright. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna head to the bathroom, like I said. They have a nice bathroom facility there, and I'm gonna wash all my dishes from last night because we were just having fun. Even my nose is like running. It's like winter again. It's just like crazy. It's it's summer. Why is it so cold? Man, winter, do not come yet. We're not ready for winter. We don't want winter. We need our sunshine. Anyways, do not mind my crazy hair. I'm camping. Alright. I'm wearing my this jacket is a um like a winter jacket that I wear sometime in the winter, and I keep that in my car for just for safety, in case we're traveling and something happens, you need something warm. So good thing I had that in the car because I'll be freezing my tushy this morning because I have another sweater, but it's much more lighter. Anyways, let me show you where we're going to the bathroom. There's that little bridge here. Let me show you guys. Okay, so let's go over this little bridge, and this is the walkway to the bathroom. And this is the bathroom, and I'm going here to wash my dishes. I'm gonna put my bag down here and I'll wash my dishes. I don't have anywhere to put my phone, so I'll show you guys when I'm done washing my dishes. So this campsite and the bathroom area is very well maintained. They have at around, I don't know, I see at around 5 or 6 people working there, and they're constantly around sweeping and cleaning and keeping everything immaculate. I mean, we've been to many campsites and they're not as clean, but this one is super clean. And they have lots of garbages everywhere, mostly like close to mostly all the campsites. So you don't have to walk far to put your garbage. Even here to wash your dishes, it's really clean. So I'm really happy to come camping here. This is about, I think this is like the 5th time we've been camping here. So I really like this camping site. It's just super clean. The toilets are clean, the bathrooms are clean. They come in many times during the day to keep the place clean. And this camping area doesn't have a lot of people camping, but it's just a nice place to camp. So all my dishes are washed, and now I'm gonna leave them right in the corner here. The sink is here. I'm gonna leave my dishes right here, and then I'm gonna go take a shower. And then I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna come back and go back to my campsite But I'm gonna also wash dish. Some what was that? Roasted almonds we were eating. So I'm gonna roast this and fill up the water so we can wash our hands when we finish eating. Yeah. So guys, this is the showers. The showers are pretty big. This is what they look like. So place to put your soap, and there's a place to hang your stuff on the corner here. On my bag here. You can put up a curtain if you want. And then they have a bigger one, so wheelchair accessibility. And you can have your wheelchair in here. And then you go shower over there. So I'm gonna shower. See you guys. See you guys when I'm done. Sorry you can't come to the shower with me.
Where the bees at? Where are those beans? Ooh, look a squirrel. Where are those bees at? Where are those bees? Where the bees?
What is it? Stop. Okay, stop crying. Stop crying. It's stinging? Where? Really? What did you do? Did you try to hit it?
No, I did not do it. It's wrong. I didn't move it out.
Okay, where? Okay, don't worry. Sorry. In your eye? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look, guys, my eyes swollen.
My daughter has been stung by a bee. Her eyes is swollen shut because there's a swarm of bees close to the bathroom, and I put my bag down and I kind of blocked the hole. I didn't know bees were there, and the bees swarmed my bag, and of course my husband had to come get the bag, and my daughter went with him, and then she was stung by a bee. The bees just, anyways. So she's hurt, and she's very frightened, but she's okay. She's gonna be fine. Her eyes is swollen shut, but she will recover. All right. I bought some of my homemade ointment that I always carry with me, that I make from home with plantain and all kind of herbs from my house. So that should heal it up a bit and make the eyes open in a couple of hours.
I never cut my finger.
Where's that? We don't have to do it by accident or by purpose.
Who On cuts their purpose. finger?
So like every few months you cut your finger.
So
Because people like you, I want to know what it's like to have all these boo-boos and these bumps and these scrapes and these cuts and these
Yeah.
broken bones.
yeah, you can have the chocolate. We're vacationing, don't worry.
And look at you. I have to get a patchable over your eye.
No.
You look like a parrot.
Breakfast.
No.
Look at this pot is
I
black.
need some more food here.
Don't you say you don't want any more food?
No, not your food. Let me eat some more of this bread here. This one is already burnt, so it's good. Hold on.
Chocolate for me.
I don't know how this thing got so burnt. I better take it off because I don't want to catch no cancer. Let's take off this burn. Don't be catching cancer.
Okay, so having chocolate.
Melted.
It's melted, is it?
Yeah.
Let me see yours.
You have to cut it off with silver.
Let me see your chocolate. You think chocolate? There's the thing, the pincer thing in there.
Yeah, the woman. Once that thing boils, everything's done.
Get the pincer thing.
That's good.
Huh? That's good?
That tastes good.
Okay, so go over there with your bread.
Sit down. Sit down. Watch out, hot, hot.
My porridge is boiling nicely here.
It's gonna make me sick.
Do not drink anymore, Michael. You can't drink all of it like that. Just leave it. I drink turmeric and that so it doesn't bother my stomach. It's just that the ginger is very strong. Are we having any bread cheese? The cheese is next to you, Dad.
That cheese is not. That cheese hasn't been opened.
No, I open it. It's just inside the plastic secured. Oh, this porridge is looking really good.
Dad, I love it.
It's good, huh? You're gonna have some for it. That's it.
This is my breakfast. I'm
You know, I
having
made some porridge before,
cheese.
and Dal said it was better than Mom's porridge.